Before we start sculpting, let's go over some important terms and basic concepts behind digital sculpting. Modeling refers to the entire process of creating a 3D form or model. There are different types of modeling, and one common method, which is different from sculpting, is called hard surface modeling. Sculpting is the process of shaping your model using brush tools as if you're carving or molding digital clay. It allows for intuitive modeling, especially for creating organic forms, which is one of its biggest advantages. The brush tools refer to the tools used in sculpting. There are many types of brushes with different shapes, and you can also customize them to create your own original brushes. In 3D software like ZBrush, the model is built around three main axes: the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. The red line represents the x-axis, the green line is the y-axis, and the blue line is the z-axis. One thing to note is that in ZBrush, the vertical axis is y, and the depth direction is z, which is slightly different from some other software. A mesh is made up of a collection of vertices, edges, and faces. Using a brush like ZModeler, you can sculpt by editing the mesh at the vertex, edge, or face level. An important concept in sculpting is that brushes affect the vertices of a mesh. To put it simply, a cube with only 8 vertices won't respond smoothly to brush strokes, whereas a high-resolution sphere with more vertices will give much smoother results. Polygons are the individual faces that make up a mesh. Triangles are called triangle polygons, and quads are quad polygons. Like Lego blocks, these polygons combine to form the sculpted model. Meshes with fewer polygons are called low poly, and those with many polygons are high poly. Typology refers to the flow or structure of the mesh. It becomes especially important when you're planning to animate a model. Take a look at these two spheres. They look the same at first glance, but their topology is different. By paying attention to topology, you can create more optimized models. A pole is a vertex where 3 or more than 5 edges meet. The position of poles can affect the look of your sculpt, so it's something to be mindful of. Retopology is the process of adjusting and improving the mesh flow to create a cleaner topology. While many tools offer automatic retopology, being able to do it manually can help you achieve a more ideal model. Non-manifold geometry refers to shapes that can't be clearly defined as solid due to how their vertices or edges are connected. For example, these two intersecting cubes form a non-manifold shape. In this state, the volume of the object can't be properly defined, which can cause errors during 3D printing. So be sure to avoid non-manifold geometry when preparing a model for printing,